One of the user asked how to increase memory, JVM memory in the Jira. So he was facing the issue. Okay, I will show how to check the memory first. Go to system. Okay, in this system, go down, click on system info. Under system info, you can see the memory, how much memory is there and how much it got used. If you used more than 80% or 90%, you will get many error, like your performance will be slow. Okay, go down, see. So like this, it's showing. So for me, it's 71% are free. Current total memory is 3641 MB. Okay, now for in one of the user, it was 90% used, and he wanted to increase the memory, but he don't know how to increase the memory. So I will show you. So you need to log in the server where you have installed your Jira. I am using the test version, as you can see, the local host. So it's there in my local. Okay, terminal. Okay, create up, clear. So see where it installed, where I am. This is my user location. So it's Atlassian one where my software is installed under bin directory. I am under bin directory. Okay, ls-ltr. Here you will get one of the file. The file name is this one. You need to search set nv, this one. Okay, this is the file. I need this sh file. Okay, set nv sh file. I am going to do the changes over there. Let me open nano dot sh. Okay, under this one you can see the memory. Just go down. This is the minimum or maximum memory. Okay, so it's there. I am going to increase this memory. So it's 4096 10 4 1024 1024 3072. I am going to 307. I am decreasing now. Okay, just save the file. Cancel out. Okay, 302 and okay, save the file. Now go back. Cat dot sh file. Here you can see all the details about your file. Okay, where your Jira home is installed, what are the things are there. You can see all the details. Okay, all the details you can see under this file. Now go back. Refresh the page. See, 62% it's free right now. Now I'm going to restart my system. So I am pausing the video, or I will show you how to reinstall as well. Terminal. Okay, stop jira.sh, it's going to stop. So I'm pausing my video, and once it will open I will show you. So the system is restarted now. Go down and check the memory. It will decrease. Okay, earlier it was 4 MB, now 4 GB, now it's a 3 GB memory. So like this you can increase or decrease the memory, GB memory in the Jira. Thank you for watching.